If you're a lover of chicken pot pie like I am, you're gonna love this recipe. It's super simple to make with a few little tricks. Let me show you how. Hey guys, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making the easiest chicken pot pie ever. This is a cozy comfort food that's made with a store-bought pie crust, making this one of the easiest dinners you can make any day of the week. To start your chicken pot pie, you're going to need some chicken, and I like to use just like leftover chicken from your Sunday roasted chicken, or pick up a rotisserie chicken on the way home from work and just shred it up. Make it super simple. It doesn't need to be any harder than that. Chicken stock, carrots, celery, peas, onions, cornstarch, a little bit of half and half, some olive oil, nutmeg, salt and pepper, thyme, and your store-bought pie crust. If you have a homemade pie crust that you like to use, that would work well also, but just to keep things simple, I like to just get one from the refrigerated section at the grocery store and make my life so much easier. So we're just gonna move over to the stovetop and we're gonna cook everything in the skillet and then top it with the pie crust and pop it in the oven. So to start, we're going to add the olive oil to the skillet. Once the olive oil is shimmering and nice and hot, we're going to add your onions and your carrots and your celery. Just stir all of that together and cook it until the onions and everything start to soften. Next, we're going to add the garlic and just cook that for about a minute. We're going to sprinkle in that cornstarch. So sprinkle in the cornstarch on top of your vegetables and then give it a good stir. Make sure your vegetables are nice and coated in that cornstarch mixture. And then stir in your thyme and salt and pepper and your peas. Once everything is warmed through, we're going to add your chicken. Whisk in the chicken stock. And your chicken stock's gonna start to thicken like a gravy. Once it starts to thicken, add half and half and stir all of that together. Remove your skillet from the heat, and then we're gonna top with the pie crust. Our pot pie is ready to go, and as fabulous as it is, just like that, we're going to put the pie crust on top, and we're just gonna unroll it. Make sure that your pie crust is like room temperature so it rolls out nice and easily. And there's no reason to like roll it any further. It should fit like right on top. And we're just gonna tuck it in here. Push it down along the sides. Try to make sure you don't have any of that gravy coming out. And I put it on a baking sheet just in case it cooks over a little bit. How easy is that? Looks super fancy too. And then we're just gonna put a couple slits right in the top with a knife to let some of the steam escape. We're gonna pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until that top is golden brown and crispy, and then we'll eat. So I just pulled this from the oven. It's going to need to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to serve it. My pot pie has cooled, even though it looks like it's still searing hot. And I'm gonna take a bite. It's still searing hot, but it's delicious. It's so creamy and has a hint of sweetness from the vegetables, and that chicken is like so super tender. That pie crust is flaky and perfect. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.